This is one of my favorite pasta dishes that I've ever made on my channel. This was a dish that I made using Cellantani pasta. Here are the ingredients. I have red and yellow bell peppers, garlic, mushrooms, zucchini, and Swiss chard. I picked up this cioppino sauce at a discount area of my grocery store. I'd never tried that before, and I also used mozzarella cheese. Obviously, if you want to make this vegan, you can just substitute out the mozzarella for a vegan cheese. I've made this dish again since this video and added some Kalamata olives, and that was really good. I love the addition of the mozzarella. It adds a nice texture component to this dish and also helps to increase the protein content. As you can see, my pan was quite full, so I just added a handful of the Swiss chard and let that sit in with the pasta for a minute or so before I plated my dinner. And then once I had removed some of the pasta, I added the remaining Swiss chard to the pan. Then I top this with some freshly cracked ground pepper and some chopped flat leaf parsley, also known as Italian parsley. This was so good. Those mushrooms are chewy and so full of flavor. Peppers and pasta is definitely one of my favorites, but I especially like this dish, and I really like the freshness that chopped Italian parsley adds to this dish. I also found some pine nuts in my cabinet, and I added that to the pasta, and that was really good as well. I also highly recommend olives in this. I made this again another time and added the olives, and it was delicious. There are so many different add-ins for this pasta. Anyway, I hope you like this recipe. Thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.